This is a new thing that we're trying. The workflow that I shared last time is a sample workflow. We have about 10 of those. There is this master workflow that we have that anywhere during the bootcamp, you can go to the master workflow and say, hey, where am I? What's going on? What's next? It will do an assessment of where you are and tells you what is due next. And all of these, again, are a bunch of prompt files that we provide and you run with them. And it will give you a sense of where you are, where you're going, etc. And it will also point you to the right next workflow that you have to run. For example, if you're in week 2 and you already have taken care of the task for week 1, it will tell you that, oh, you're at this architecture iteration point and the workflow for it is this one. And it will help you run that and figure out what's going on. So this is going to be about 10 different workflows, like the one that we shared in session 1, that we will share with the bootcamp participants. Again, there is an orchestrator that manages all the above. And then for each week, you have 1 or 2 workflows that you run, and they will help you execute the tasks related to those particular weeks. Eating our own dog food is the name of the game here. On this section, you can see the topics that we will cover every week, and you can get a sense of what workflows you'll work with. On Mondays, there are going to be interactive labs. In these interactive labs, I essentially will run the workflows myself and show you how you can use them, and hopefully you will follow along with me exactly like we did last time. So every Monday, we'll just set you up for the week to go. Then every Wednesday, we have a build stand-up. Essentially, in the build stand-up, the idea is that you will show up with the progress you've made this week on your project and give an update, and then our mentors will be present there to help give you feedback about what's going on in your project. One thing that is very important is that you'll have access to us, the instructor and the mentors, to book one-on-one call every week. So every week, you can book one of us and just have a 30-minute conversation about your project. Like, we just very specifically focus on your project, the general stuff. We can very specifically say, what's going on here? I'm blocked here. Can you help me go forward? Do you help with ideation? That's the very first workflow that you'll do, that will brainstorm with you about what project you should work on, which comes even before ideation, the thing that we did last week. You could also just book us on the one-on-one conversations and say, I don't know what project to work on. Would you help me brainstorm about it? And then we'll do that.